to install the Puctto button and using some advanced options. So for the Wix templates, they don't actually allow you to change the code underneath to add your button. So we're going to use the Puctto advanced options. So you can see here I've installed a standard button by going to add, and I've just labeled it try on for the time being. Now we need to go back to our friends in tracking and analytics. We're going to make a small adjustment to the code that we just added before when installing Puctto. So we're going to click on our custom code that we installed previously and hit edit. And above our install code, we're going to employ the Puctto advanced options. So you can see here that I've just pasted a script from the website called Puctto options, and I have labeled button, name, photo, and SKU to match those elements that are on the screen. So what Puctto will do is grab those elements and use them to install your products. I'll go through this in a little bit more. All you have to do now is hit apply and publish. And now going back to your store with a refresh, you can see here that we have our try on button, and now when we click on try on, the blade comes up. So how did I get those select elements? Well, all you have to do is see where you have the title, inspect on the title, and you'll find out in Google's selector that I want to grab the title of this product to put in my try on button. So in this instance, I've selected the H2 element and passed in those options. Same with the photo, same with the SKU. And this will all be documented on our install page. Thanks.